This spot right here is my little secret spot. I wrote a lot of the album right here. It's on the studio property. There's about 5 acres right here. But I like this little tree right here. It's really low to the ground. I can sit on it, play guitar whenever I want. This is kind of the meadow area. There's wild raspberries, blackberries, all kinds of really cool stuff all over the place. That's what you're seeing all over here. This is another little path that goes down here. We just got a tractor this year, so we're gonna make trails all through the back 3 acres or so. And this table right here, this is where I wrote a bunch of the album, just sitting here with my acoustic guitar, just having fun. Have this as my outlook while I'm making riffs. There's a deer going by right now. He's right back there. He's probably watching me right now. This right here used to be a pond, but because of the drought, it is now just a meadow. I wish it was a pond again though. This is honestly one of my favorite things to do in between writing sessions and recording sessions. I'm just wanting to clear my head, reset, go out in nature, walk around. And this just so happens to be one of the most beautiful days of the year, and we're in the middle of October. Kind of crazy. There's gonna be a lot of trails back here at some point, but we're going to keep it as natural as possible and just cut in a path like a wildlife refuge center would have. Keep it conservation. Just saw another deer. See if we can cut it off. I can see it going the other way right now. And if you follow this trail along to the back, you will find our blueberry bushes. You've got about 60 of them, I'd say. And then the apple trees are over here. There's red raspberries right in front of us here. All this right here is gonna be chopped down. I'm gonna turn this into a garden, little oasis. Have a pond back here. Be a really cool place to relax in the summertime. Kind of get away from it when we're recording. These are the apple trees. There's about 10 of them. They didn't produce much this year, but they will be back in full force next year.